Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we will go through how to connect um, XM broker and TradingView. So what you need to do is log into your XM account, and after that, uh, also after that, also log into your TradingView account. Now, for connecting these two, we will use as its webhook trade. So URL webhook. Basically, what you need to do is when you are here in webhook, you will go to connect to broker or MetaTrader. Click on that, and now you will click connect empty account. So right here, you will then add an account. Right here, you will put in all the information, so MT5 or MT4, then login number, master password you will choose, server name you will also choose. Then what you do, like you have a lot of options here, then account type and your email. Come on. So after you connect the account, save this webhook trade API key because you will need it. Now go to TradingView to alerts, and here you will choose some volume price. Then you have here cross, less than, moving down, moving up. So you have here a bunch of options, whichever you like, choose right here. Then you will set value or volume price. Then you have trigger, expiration. Then important thing you need to do is go to notification and enable this webhook URL. Send a post request to your specific URL when you are triggers. Now, obviously, you will need this paid subscription, basically. And after you will do that, you will get here options to paste this URL from this one right here, and you will be connected, and you will get some informations to there. So I hope this video helped you out. So if this helped you out, consider to like and subscribe to the video and channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next